Hey guys, so it's Salim here, and I am doing a very easy date night tutorial. So basically, we're starting off with our eyebrows. I am using the e.l.f. Lock and Liner and Brow Cream in the color Espresso, and I'm just pretty much going ahead and following my natural brow line to give them a really good arch and shape. You can find this brow cream at your local Target, Ulta, CVS, Walgreens, all those good places. Or you can do what I did and just went online to elf.com and purchase this eye cream. I'm going to try to post the links below, like all the places that you can pretty much purchase these items. Okay guys, so I am going in with my LA Girl concealer, and I am pretty much cleaning up the brows now. I'm following my natural brow bone, my natural brow line, I'm sorry, and I am blending down so that I can get a very nice clean brow. And this concealer, you can actually find this at your local beauty supply store. Usually the beauty supply stores sell them for $2.99. I know if you go online to like Ulta, you'll be paying about $4.99 or $5 for it. There is a website online called style21.com that I actually just discovered again. They actually sell this concealer for $2.99, and I think their flat rate shipping is like $2.99, so it's not bad at all. I'll actually post the link and everything below. And I'm actually using the same concealer as my base for my eyelids. Sometimes if I don't feel like using eyeshadow primer, I'll use concealer and I'll just set it with a translucent powder. And that is basically the best thing to use if you don't have eyeshadow primer. So right now I'm actually going to go in with my And Your Elements palette from NYX. And I'm going to use this really pretty burnt orange as a translucent color, because this is going to be like a red burgundy smoky eye. So that color is pretty much getting us ready. And it's also going to be really helpful with blending. So yeah, and I'm doing it right above the crease and right underneath the brow bone. So now I'm going in with this really intense red. It's like a true red. It's gorgeous. This camera does it no justice, I'm trying to tell y'all. But pretty much just gonna make the eye more intense. And then when I put the burgundy on, it's just gonna help everything kind of like mesh together and just be beautiful. Okay. And now we're going in with that beautiful burgundy that I was talking to you guys about. It's like a berry red burgundy. It's so pretty. The camera is not doing any justice, you guys. If you guys see the still picture in the beginning of the video, you will see how beautiful this burgundy is. And I'm also going in, I took a little bit on the brush to help blend that burgundy with the red. And then I'm just going right in the brow bone with this very shimmery goldish yellow. And it's pretty much helping the brow pop. First of all, I love my brow bones, and I love to make my brows pop with beautiful shimmer. Okay. And I'm going in with a intense gold that's in this palette. Now, disclaimer, I did have to wet the brush with a little setting spray to kind of get that gold to pop. And then I did, which is not on camera, I did kind of dip my finger into the gold and, you know, apply it to make the gold more intense. So So now I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's in the color 368 if I'm not mistaken. And I'm pretty much just going ahead and blending it. Now let me tell you guys, I love this foundation. Okay, I love it. I'm so glad this is actually one of the newer colors that they came out with. I'm so glad they came up with new colors, because I was tired of mixing 355 with 360 and still looking like I belonged in, Charlie's Willy Wonka freaking chocolate factory singing the Oompa Loompa song. But yeah, I'm so glad they came out with the new colors. So now I am going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm pretty much just highlighting and contouring, of course, my face, because if I just do the foundation, I'm gonna look like a cute little round chocolate donut. So yeah. So I am highlighting my high points, of course, which is under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my chin, and my forehead, baby. And I'm just blending it out with my silicone sponge. I actually got the silicone sponge from e.l.f. I had got the 2-pack. I think I paid like $4 maybe for it. I know I got it while they were having like a crazy sale, so I didn't really pay that much for it, but it does the job. I actually like using this more than the sponge, because I'm not wasting any product. My product is being put on my face. So as you guys can see, I will keep the skin moist during my whole makeup application. I do that because it just helps the powders and the creams kind of mesh together a lot better, and it kind of takes the cakiness away. If you're using tons and tons of powders and tons of creams, during your makeup application, your skin will become kind of cakey. So it's actually good to keep the skin wet while you're doing it. And I'm actually going back in with that eyeshadow palette, and I'm just taking that red and that burgundy, and I'm going underneath the eyes to kind of create some depth back into my eyes, because the powders and the concealer and everything will kind of take that away. And sometimes your eyes can get a little lost in your face. Well, for me, mine's skin, so yeah. And I'm just kind of lining the corners, the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes. I'm not lining the whole entire eye of mine, because I don't want this eye look to be very dark. I want this eye look to pretty much, I want it to be dark but not too dark, I want it to be sultry, sexy, but not, not crazily dark and stuff. So now I'm going in and contouring my nose with my Smashbox step-by-step contour kit. As you guys can see, when I go ahead and contour my nose, I like to take the contour up and like underneath my brow, because it basically balances out the face, it balances out the eyes, and it just gives it a more natural contour, as you guys can see. And then I'm going ahead and I'm going underneath my cheekbones, and I'm blending it up. Instead of it going sideways, I'm blending it up to kind of give my face more of a snatched look. And then I go right over top of my contour with Black Radiance pressed powder. And this pressed powder is actually the same complexion as my skin, but it kind of helps kind of blend out the harsh contour lines. So now I'm going in and putting some blush on. As you can see, I accidentally put on too much. And I'm going to show you guys a trick. So I wet the face, and I'm just taking my regular face brush and just kind of blending it in and stippling my face to kind of take away that harsh blush look. So now I don't look like I'm in like an 80s workout music video. Okay. And I'm using one of my favorite liquid liners. You guys, if you guys ever want to gift me something for my birthday, for like Eid, for whatever, this is one of the things to get me. This NYX Cosmetics matte liquid liner. It dries matte and it stays on for a very long time, and it's waterproof. And now I'm just gonna put on some lashes. I'm sorry, guys. I live in Philadelphia, so there's nowhere quiet in my house to record. But I'm going ahead and putting on my lashes. I got these lashes from SalimahC. They are $1. I love these lashes. I bought these once and then turned right around and ordered like 20 of these lashes. So I have tons and tons and tons of number 43. So yeah, as you can see, these lashes are gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going in and blending my lashes with the eyelashes with a little mascara. I believe this mascara is the L'Oreal Volume Lashes. So yeah, this is my first time using this mascara, and I actually really like it. I love how it pulls out my bottom lashes. Okay guys, so I am finally putting on some highlight, and I am using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated in Lit, and I'm pretty much just putting it on my cheekbones, and I put some on the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow, and now I'm going over top of Lit with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and I'm putting that on my high points, like my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose. I'm putting it on the tip of my nose, and I sometimes will put it on like the sides of my nose, as you can see. So it kind of gives it more of like a, kind of changes my nose a little better. And now I'm just lining my lips with a brown lip liner from NYX. And I'm actually going to apply some red lipstick. And this lipstick is from Cosmetics. And the color #Bay. It's the perfect date night red. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm actually going to post a link below for you guys. If you guys want to purchase #Bay from Cosmetics. Thank you guys for watching my makeup tutorial. If you guys liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting a video a day. So I'll see you next video, guys. Bye.